Hi guys, we're back once again after a bit of a hiatus. What we're going to do in this video is actually talk about, like the title mentions, the OnePlus 60 Thunder Purple variant. So this is the box of the OnePlus 60 Thunder Purple variant. It is the special edition color which has been launched recently, and it is going to be available only in the 8GB 128GB variant. And you know what, just to get all the details of it out there, the specs are just the same and the price is going to be rupees 41,999. So you know what, let's not waste any more time and get right down to the unboxing. Hi, I'm Ashar from Mr. Phone, and this is our unboxing and first look of the OnePlus 60 Thunder Purple variant. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around, and you can see that there is a definition of community, and unfortunately we don't have our trusty blade on us, so we're going to cut it with a toy that we have, which is very weird. Of course, hashtag the struggle is real. Anyway, let me just rip that wrapper off quickly. Obviously this is going to be edited. So now that the wrapper is off, let's quickly unbox it because I know that everybody is excited to see the phone. I'm not going to talk about the specs or anything much. You can actually take a look at our review, which should be up right now in a card. So let me just pull the lid off, and yes, that is the OnePlus 60 Thunder Purple variant from the front. And I'm sure that a lot of you would want me to take the phone out and see it from the rear. Oh my god, that's pretty stunning, to be entirely honest. Let's talk a little bit about the design of and the color scheme out here. One of the brands that we've known to make these color schemes is Huawei with its Honor brand and Huawei P20 Pro. But this is the first time we're seeing a gradient from another mainstream brand like OnePlus. So that's very interesting. What's interesting to note is that this OnePlus 60 is actually a matte variant like the Midnight Black one, and unlike the Mirror Black one, which is a glossy phone. So you know what, I'll compare the two, but for now you can see the S pattern emerging on the rear, and it's a very interesting gradient such that the black actually blends into the purple from the top to the bottom. So it looks really interesting, and I'm sure that a lot of people will find this color very interesting. So let me just keep that aside, and I'll let you guys gawk at it and quickly take a look at what's inside the box. I don't think that's going to be any different. We've seen this in our unboxing of the OnePlus 60 earlier. So yes, there is this case which is pretty high quality and premium, but I'm sure that you don't want to put a case on a phone like this. I wouldn't. And apart from that, I'm sure that the SIM ejector tool is the SIM card tray tool is inside this. Yep, and along with a lot of other documentations as well. So let me just keep that aside as well. And it says invitation letter, a word from Pete, the OnePlus CEO. This is the same thing that we read on the OnePlus 60 earlier. And this Thunder Purple variant of the OnePlus 60 comes with the same fat dash charger and the USB Type-C cable, and of course, for the very first time on a OnePlus phone, a USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. So I'll keep that aside and keep this here. Let's talk a little bit more about the color of the phone and what I think about it. I quite honestly find this very, very refreshing and very unique, a color that OnePlus hasn't attempted before. And compared to the Mirror Black, I mean, the Mirror Black itself looks pretty good, but this is definitely a color that will turn a lot of heads and a lot of people would want to see it. So I'll keep that here for you guys, and you can take a look at it. This looks very interesting for sure. So that's it from us. That's our unboxing of the OnePlus 60 Thunder Purple edition. Do let us know in the comment section below what you thought about it. We quite like the color. Of course, we're not going to do a separate review of this phone. That's unnecessary. You can actually take a look at the card, which will have the full review of the phone, and the performance and everything should be the same. It comes in an 8GB 128GB variant only, and it is priced at rupees 42,000. And the review, the camera comparison, and a few other articles mentioned in this video are actually linked below in the description, so don't forget to take a look at that. So that's it from me, Ashar from Mr. Phone. Until next time, see you soon, and we have something very interesting in store for you, so stay tuned to our channel. Bye bye.